Hi, Akron After School Kids, and welcome back to Experiments with Miss Myers. So, in the past, we've done certain experiments like learning how to make slime, how to clean pennies. We've learned which kind of Coke explodes the fastest. We've learned how to expand a balloon using oil and vinegar and water. So, today we're going to do another really cool experiment. We're going to learn a little bit about the clouds. So, we all know that when clouds get really, really full, they rain, right? So today we're going to create our own process like that. We're going to take a cup. Mine's plastic, as you can tell. We're going to take some shaving cream, water, and food coloring. Now, I'm not going to tell you what's going to happen with all of these ingredients. We already know that clouds, when they get over full, they rain. And I will let you know that your shaving cream is going to be the cloud. But we're going to see what really happens. So, hypothesis time. If I combine all of these ingredients, then what will happen? Can you tell me what you think might happen? Those are some great ideas. Definitely. All right, let's see if they're real. All right, so grab your glass. Remember to ask for parents' permission, parent or guardian. You're going to take your glass, some water, shake up the shaving cream, to make it look like a little cloud. You're going to take your food dye, and drip some around. And when you're done, it should start to kind of come down like rain. So if I go ahead and take a piece of paper, you should be able to see what happens. Just like that. And that's what it looks like when rain comes down from the clouds. So, I hope you really liked this experiment, and if you did, please try it at home with parent permission and with parent consent. Now, we never do anything on our own. You always need help. So make sure that you have somebody with you no matter what. And if you did enjoy this experiment, share a picture, share something along with this experiment of what ingredients you used, what color you used. Maybe you used green instead of blue. Let me know on Padlet. I cannot wait to see your guys' reactions, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.